Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Google Messages. All right, let's begin. Google Messages is a stock messaging app used on many Android devices. When you open the app, you'll see your chat list along with a Google Messages banner at the top. You'll also see a search bar that lets you look for specific messages by typing in keywords like names, places, or topics. You can filter your search results by images, videos, places, starred messages, or unread chats. At the top right, you'll find your profile icon. Tap it to access your Google account, manage device pairing, or check data settings. This gives you full control over your messaging preferences and account details. Now, if you want to start a new conversation, tap the chat icon at the bottom right of the screen. If you already have chats, just tap any of them to continue messaging. You'll also notice a Gemini icon at the bottom. Tap it to open Gemini inside the app. This lets you chat with Gemini directly, ask questions, and get answers just like ChatGPT, but all within Google Messages. So that's basically how you can use Google Messages. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.